Hey guys, what's happening? How to restore Yahoo Mail on iPhone. To restore Yahoo Mail on your iPhone, the best method involves either deleting and re-adding the account in settings. So I'm gonna hit my profile icon at the top left and hit manage accounts. And what you're gonna do, just hit edit at the top right and remove the account in question, right? So maybe there is a syncing issues there. So delete and re-add the account and it will be synced. Or use the Yahoo official mail or Yahoo's tool or Yahoo Help Center's recovery tool within 7 days if you lost your email. Okay, so go ahead to your browser and type Yahoo Help Center's recovery tool within 7 days. Scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find this in the search result, recover lost or deleted emails. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and send in a request on Yahoo for Yahoo to recover your email, right? Or to recover your email. Yeah, if any of your emails have been deleted or gone missing in the last 7 days, submit a request and they will do everything they can to try to recover your lost messages. So I'm gonna hit send a restore request, right? And simply fill in the details. My account was hacked. When did you last see the missing messages for 0 to 4 hours, and you can just change it however you want, right? Enter your main Yahoo email or Yahoo address you're contacting us about, in the email address that you have access to, right? And please verify that you can access this email account so they can contact you. And what you're gonna do next, just verify that you're not a robot and create a request for general, for general fix. But if there is maybe, it comes down to simple problems like general glitches, right? If that happens, make sure your iOS is updated, right? So you're gonna go ahead to the settings, general, software update, make sure your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, okay? And as we said before, try to delete and re-add the account for sync issues, and that will fix your problem. And also don't forget, if you lost your email, to contact Yahoo's Help Center to recover your lost email within 7 days. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.